Here's a step-by-step guide to convert from LLC to S Corporation. 1. File IRS Form 832, Entity Classification Election. Obtain a new EIN, Employer Identification Number, if necessary. Check Box 2A, Corporation, and 2B, S Corporation. 2. File IRS Form 2553, Election by a Small Business Corporation. Meet S Corporation eligibility requirements. Complete Parts 1 through IV. 3. Amend Articles of Organization, LLC, to Articles of Incorporation, S Corp. File with your state's Secretary of State. Update business name, purpose, and structure. Obtain new business licenses and permits. Update licenses and permits to reflect S Corporation status. 5. Update tax returns and financials. File Form 1120S, S Corporation Income Tax Return. Adopt accounting methods and fiscal year. 6. Notify interested parties. Inform banks, creditors, and vendors. Update business contracts and agreements. Post-conversion considerations. 1. Shareholder limitations, maximum 100 shareholders. 2. Passive income limitations. 3rd, required annual meetings. 4th, formal corporate governance. 5. Tax implications, e.g. self-employment tax. Timeline. File Form 8332 within 75 days of LLC formation or conversion. File Form 2553 within 75 days of sharing ownership. 3. Amend articles. Varies by state. Please consult professionals and review applicable laws and regulations before converting your LLC to an S Corporation.